Seconds in Femi correct pidgin and is now we dey do one today. We wan look back at that ogbonge match wey we see yesterday between Manchester City and Liverpool. No be small thing, no, the match carry fire for head from the time wey referee blow may whistle start and the time wey referee blow say match go ahead. No be small thing, fire match. Na dem dey call this one, and many people don dey talk say, oh boy, say that thing. You sure say no be go be that? We sef we don carry our korokoro eye, carry VAR, carry everything, carry computer sef. Look am, say na nearly, and they say nearly sef e cannot kill a bird. But we dey look the way wey Liverpool take start that match. Some people don dey talk say the way wey Jurgen Klopp carry line a match, say im go start with Milner and Henderson, say na there na im failure start. Say im for start with Fabinho and maybe another person with Wijnaldum for that midfield wey dem go dey worry Manchester City. I wan ask you this morning, how you see that game yesterday? You think say Man City don enter back the title race and Liverpool, you think say Liverpool dem go fit still win title at the end of the season now wey unbeaten don scatter?